Sallu alal Habib Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Muhammad. Dawat Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published booklet, Bible Horse Rider, says on page number 13, suggestions for those performing sacrifice through institutions. Careful words for giving permission of sacrifice to an institution are as follows. I give full authority to you from the expense of purchasing the sacrificial animal to its slaughter, for example, fare, fodder, wage of butcher, etc., and for donating its meat, skin, chain, rope, bells, etc., to whomever you like, including the authority for spending the remaining money on any permissible task. It's better to read out the above mentioned sentences from the same booklet to the authorized representative for your sacrifice. Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal, the risk of sins will be removed from both the parties. Sallu ala al-Habib Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Muhammad.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।